Hey you guys, welcome back to Chiq Blend, and I am Richenza Marie.
And I'm Qui.
So today we are going to be doing a comparison between our YSL bag.
I have the Cape bag with the tassel in the size medium, and mine is in a python leather fuchsia color, and then it has the gold hardware.
Oh, it feels so nice.
Yes, so
I love this one.
What you got, girl?
And then for my bag, I have the Kate in the size small, and it is the black leather, and the leather is grains. Okay, so for me, I really just wanted a very nice, sleek, simple going out bag, you guys. Something that wasn't too big, but not too small, that could fit everything that I needed. So I really just wanted to just get this bag. It's so bomb. I love it. And what about you? Why did you purchase yours?
I purchased my bag because this price of the bag was absolutely astronomical, and it was on sale.
Hey,
So your girl had to make it do what it do.
we like those sales.
We like them sales. Yeah, and I got this bag maybe around 2.5 years ago. So it's definitely like a lot more expensive now. I think the python leather now retails for about $30 to $50, something like that. Yeah, it's crazy. I paid nowhere near that though.
Look, you got it for a great price though.
I did. Like
really great
I racked
price.
up on this.
First impressions. So for me, my first impression of this purse was what? It's so nice. Like, I love it. It's a very beautiful bag. It can pretty much go with anything, you guys. So I really just loved it as soon as I saw it.
Okay, so for me, the first impressions, like literally, when I opened up the box because I ordered it online, I was just like, oh my goodness, this bag is freaking amazing. And this is so crazy because it was like during the 4th of July, so my whole family was there. And when I opened up the box, I was like jumping up and down like, oh my God, my bag is so bomb. And everybody was looking at me like, what?
I know I was.
Yeah.
I was like,
What?
it's a big bag.
Yeah, so that was my first impressions.
All right, and then let's hold them up. Let's do like a little comparison of the sizes for them.
Okay, so yeah, let me see. So let's do, this is kind of the difference in size from the medium to the small.
It's a pretty big difference though.
Yeah, it's definitely a pretty big difference. I'm going to give you guys a little description about it. As I said, I have the pink python, and if you open it up, both of our bags are very similar, as in they have a back pocket right here, if you can see that. And then on the inside of mine, I know hers has like leather on the inside, but mine is completely suede on the inside, like a pink suede. Oh. And it's so beautiful, so nice.
I love that one. And then for mine, where the back pocket is, there is the leather material, but then in the front, there's like a cloth material. It's extremely sturdy.
Okay guys, so now we're going to show you what fits inside of the bag, as well as give you guys some close-ups. Let's do it.
Let's go.
Lego. Ting. Okay guys, so this is the Saint Laurent medium tassel cape bag. Okay, so the first thing we're going to put in here is the phone. Now the MAC Studio Fix. That's the color NC45. We're gonna put the keys in. It's just inside of a Louis Vuitton key holder. We're also gonna put in the Chanel blush in the color Alizane. My little deodorant. When I have smaller bags, I like to just put my deodorant in this little container. Now we're gonna put the Somerset Meadow lotion, hand sanitizer wipe, brush, and this is just a retractable brush. We're gonna put in our Tom Ford lipstick and our Chanel perfume. That's the Mademoiselle. Okay, let's close it up. Okay, and as you see, everything fits nice and neat in there. Okay guys, now we're gonna take everything from the medium flap and put it into the small. And that's everything that's in there. As you see, that's quite a bit of stuff. Okay, so with the small cape, I don't use a wallet at all. I just put all of the cards in the back pocket. As you see, we put the cards in the back pocket, and now we're gonna put the phone, Samsung Galaxy Note 8, the foundation, the lotion, deodorant, lipstick, perfume, the hand wipe, and now I'm just going to take the keys off the key pouch. It's a little stuff, but it did fit everything the medium flap fit. Let's open that back up, and we're gonna just take the perfume out. And that is the small cape flap, guys. As you see, it does fit pretty much everything, and you can use a little tester perfume instead of this big perfume.
Are we recording? Yes. And it has the gold leather hardware, or the gold. Oh my God. Forget to shake shit, blah, blah, blah.
Okay guys, don't forget to stay chic.